Hey, what's up, guys? I got this these two screws right here on my bike that I can't they're stripped, can't get them out. So I bought this speed out Cobolt, and we're gonna see if it works. So give me a second and I'll show you what happens. Alright, guys, so I kept trying to mess with the bits and trying to get the screws out. So I finally got them out. There's the other one right there. So what I did was, it doesn't tell you to do this, but I kept trying to get them out. So I drilled it with this in reverse, and then I drilled it clockwise with this side, and then reversed it with this, and it got it right out. So you can see, I got them out. Where are they? Right there. So it's now out. Now I just gotta find some screws to fit back in there. So they do work. So I take that back. Just keep playing with it. You'll get them out. All right. Thank you.